Most of our students, they want to go into some STEM field. Going into college algebra, going into calculus, you have two choices. You can just do the anonymous lecture, let them sink or swim. Or if you're going to actually try to intervene, try to motivate them, you can't just stand up front and talk anymore. And that's where technology really is a big part of it. Now that it's flipped, the fact that they can hear it, back it up, listen to it again, look at the problem, I think has been really helpful. Now the computer's helping them and I'm helping them, and then they come to class and then we can do it all together. I get to do a little one-on-one with the students, which is really what I got into teaching to do.
By watching the video ahead of time, it makes you a lot more prepared for the class. It makes class time a lot more useful. I can attribute the A on my first test to Echo360.
Lectures in class, I try to keep those down to 10 minutes or so. Then I can spend the rest of the class period working one-on-one with students. And what's even better is when the students are working with each other. I'll have two of them working on the same problem, they'll call me over and say, we think we should do this. When they start to question, why do I want to do something, that's when the real learning takes place. And I think that's a big motivator, especially at this level. They'll do things because they know it's me, and I can come around and actually sit down next to them and call them by name and ask them how they're doing. And suddenly they're motivated more than they would have been if they were just some anonymous student sitting in the back. With this technology and working one-on-one with them, they're going to get through.